Okay, I'm not gonna go into like super detail because y'all can see. Now, these are my lip products for right now. I got some Fenty in there, a couple from the drugstore, a few lip pencils and stuff like that. This is my eye stuff, my Anastasia dip brow, like eyeliner, black eyeliner, my mascara, and then a few other eyeliners. And then I have some downstairs that are soaking, like that are getting sanitized, as well as the other half of my brushes are drying right now. Hey, so this is my makeup towel, my palettes, and right now my favorite palette is from Beauty by Melissa, the Nude Persuasion palette. Let me pull this out for you just so I can show you. This is my favorite freaking palette, like, and I use this all the fucking time, and it's like barely touched on. Only reason, like, when I be mixing stuff, I be digging in it, so that's the reason why these look like that. But like, I use these, especially these colors, I use these all the time. These colors and these colors up here, and I'm like, they're like not going nowhere. Like, this is gonna last me forever, and I'm still gonna get some more. And I have a few of her glitters as well. But yeah, like I said, I'm not going into detail with my kit. I just kind of want to show you how my kit is. So like I said, I just bought this kit. So I wanted everything, like when I do travel appointments, I have a shit ton of bags. Like when I say a shit ton of bags, I mean like a shit ton of makeup bags that I was, you know, carrying around. It was just a lot. So I'm glad that everything can fit in here. This is not all my makeup, but this is what I'm taking to my appointment today. So let's just get into it. My favorite powders that I always use for any and every client is Laura Mercier powders. I have those here. My P. Louise. My P. Louise eyeshadow bases. I got some eye creams in here and stuff like that. Some Fenty primers and some, what is this, Milani primer, Morphe setting spray. I got some Morphe bronzers in here. We got Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I have the NARS, which one is this? Soft Matte Foundation. This is a mixture of concealers of e.l.f. and Tarte Shape Tape. I also have, what is this? Juvia's Place bronzer palettes. And then I got the Tilbury Sculpt and Highlight Powder for my lighter clients. Sanitizer, some more foundations over here, Fenty, NARS, Lancome, and then stuff like that. And then a few of my liners. I do need to go to the store and grab some lashes. I'm all out of lashes, so I need to go and grab those. And then the ones that I like really use, like I love to use on my clients because they're like really inexpensive, are the IMV lashes. The IMV lashes at the Beauty Supply. Yeah, the Beauty Supply. Love them. So yeah, I need to pick up some makeup and more vibes. Just a couple more things just for today that I don't already have in my kit. And that's just what we're doing. Okay, y'all. I'm here at the hotel where my clients are. I did go to the beauty supply. I did get these are the lashes that I'm talking about. These go crazy. I bought a bunch of these, and then some wipes and some moisturizing and stuff. So I'm packing up my kit. Okay, so someone had walked in, but like I was saying, I just went to the beauty supply and got like some tools and some sanitary items that I was missing out of my kit. So we're done. I'm trying to make this quick just because my storage is super low, so I might cut off. But I am done for today. I'm gonna go home, go play with my storage and see if I can end this video out.
What do you want to see?